I want to show you a pillow sham cover. This one fits a 12 by 20 pillow form, and it's very pretty. It's unique because it's block printed, an art form in ancient temples that were 1,000 years old in India. This art form is what inspired this pillow cover. This is a floral print. All of their prints are very nice for spring and summer. 100% cotton, so it's washable. I want to thank Cotton Print Club for sending me this cover so that I could show it to you and tell you about it. This pillow cover is very well made. It has a hidden zipper, which you have to really look to find where it is, but there it is. It's 16 inches long, so there's room to put the pillow form into the cover. My pillow form is 12 by 20 inches. That's what size this pillow cover is supposed to fit. Zipper is on the long side, so that's the side I need to get in first. I have to turn it around after it goes inside the cover. And now I've got the pillow form inside the cover, and I'll zip it up. And you'll have trouble finding the zipper. Okay, there it is. Isn't that pretty? And you can't even see where that zipper is. It's amazing. So that's really nice because you can take the cover off and wash it whenever you need to, because it's 100% cotton. This is how I would place this pillow with these pillows to decorate this couch. I really like this cover. You might like to try one too.